Here's a 1928 Ford Model A street rod. Sedan delivery, if you will. Now, this particular street rod has kept Ford power to it. Big block 428. That is paired with a C6 automatic transmission. Casting number on the engine is C6ME, which comes back to a block that could be a 390 or a 428. If we slip down here, take a look there, you see the balancer on the exterior coming back as a 1966 to 1970 vintage 428. As you can see up front, we have the rotors in the front for brakes. Nice chrome surround on the radiator. A little old school homemade Ford looking grill grate. Now if you want to check out the still pictures of this, they can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website and the pictures. And of course you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Riding on centerline wheels. Engine has headers, HEI ignition. Paint on this, so I'd consider kind of a deep wine. It also has kind of a ghost flame painted in there, as you can see. The reflection coming off the wall and the paint does have a pretty nice luster to it. Two-tone cloth interior, and we'll slip around to the other side. I'm getting a little glare there. We'll slip around to the other side and I can show you paint a little bit better. Color of it, and we'll open the door up, we'll start her up. Ford 9-inch rear end, QA adjustable rear shocks. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we assist customers with shipping of the vehicles. And it may be eligible for an extended service contract. So consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As far as this rear door, it will unlatch right underneath here. There's a pull similar to that of, say, a hood release, and it will pop that rear door. Swings open. You can see that in the still pictures also. Be able to see there is a battery shut off back there, fire extinguisher finished off in kind of a little bit of a gray flame inlay on a burgundy color fabric. So check that out in the still pictures. And once again, those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. There you get an idea. Pretty good luster and reflection of that paint. So showroom behind me. Phone number too if you want to call, 507-386-1726. All right, interior, we're going to pop this open. There's a tilt column. I'm going to go ahead and open this door here a second. All right. It does have power windows. Like I said, kind of the gray or silver with burgundy. Two-tone interior. There you can get an idea how they kind of carried up the flames in the cloth. And it'll show up in the pictures too. So I got pictures of both sides and the whole rear of it. So check out the still pictures. Let's go ahead and fire this one up. Pull the keys out. I have them in my pocket. Sorry about that. One other thing to show you down here. There's a backup camera. Obviously a little tougher vehicle to see out of. Got a backup camera. Here's the volt gauge works. Got oil pressure over here. And looks like the fuel gauge is working. Aftermarket tack on the dash. Also working. Pioneer speakers have been mounted up above. Stereo you could reach up to the right and control. And also check out the still pictures. They'll show up a lot better. Alright. Back here you kind of hear the side exhaust. Nothing too crazy. Nice rumble to it, but not crazy loud. You have the heat shield over that with a Ford. Ford headers. Get a look at that 428 running. Sounds like a street ride should. Something to expect out of this. There you go, 1928 Ford Model A street ride. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is the website. Click on the link that's down below in the description. It's going to take you right there.